everybody, welcome to MS FITZ'S Adventures. My name is Michael. Dione is at work right now. It is a Saturday. It is the last day of February. It is a leap year day. So I am here in the truck. I'm facing a mountain way out that way. Just right across the street from the camper. And there's a tower way up that way. And I'm trying to get a signal on my cell phone to do the hotspot so that I can upload, if you can see that real well, but trying to download the firmware for both the drone and the controller. What happened was the controller and the drone decided they didn't want to talk to each other, so it wouldn't set up. And that was last week. I've read about it and thought about it and downloaded all this software last night. It took me hours because the internet connection is awful. So I'm just hoping I can do this. If not, I'll wait till Monday and I'll go to the library. Now, I don't think I can bring in a drone in the library, but maybe. But I can probably sit outside and get just as good a signal as I have right here, or better. So I'm on 19% on that right now. And I'm just hoping it works. What they say to do is first flash this one with the firmware, the drone itself. And you can see the lights yellow, orange, and red. And then after you get that done, then you do the controller here. So, yeah. This is the new controller that they had sent me. And we've been using it. I had no problem with it. I've always been able to, well, I did turn the camera around. I did the last time the firmware on the phone, and I had it all plugged in, and it did it okay, but it said not to do that. Really, you really need an internet connection. So as you can see, it says upload error log. It's a it's a V01 dot 00.0620. So I don't know what that means, but I'm going to retry it one more time. Downloading 000.0620. That's supposed to be the newest as of February 2020. So I don't know if that's gonna work or not, so we'll see what happens. I've been sitting out here. I don't have that much battery left on my computer. I'm down to halfway right now. I've been out here for about 45 minutes. This is not taking it. I don't know what I'm to do. I guess I'm going to spend some more time on it today and Monday, and hopefully get it Monday when I have a better connection with the internet going to the library. If not, I'm going to have to send it out to DJI. Some other people are saying that theirs did the same thing. I don't know the cause of it or why, but I'm pretty sure the firmware that was in there was the right firmware. So, whatever. So we just got to get the drone and the controller to link up. That's the problem. That's all it is. So... all right, man. Talk to you guys in just a few minutes. Let's see if we can get this done. All right, so I've tried it another 2 times, and it's failed. I'm doing it one more time. It wanted to do the no-fly zone type thing, and I've been saying no to it, but this is what I'm doing now. Let's see if it even takes that. It says it has an internet connection. It says MC output. It says I'm on the internet. It says everything's good. I don't see why it shouldn't be working properly. Okay, failed upload again. Update failed. I can keep retrying and trying and trying and trying. I just don't get it. What is this export? Export. On the page you may upload device information and flight data. Continue. Report data files. I don't know what that says. Save to local. Okay, report data files. I don't think I want to do that. That's like giving to them. What does that say? That says something. Simulator. Firmware. Let's go back to that. I'm going to ignore that. Okay, I'm going to do factory settings. It said it already did it once, but I'm going to do it again. See if that has anything to do with it. It's 21, 20, 27, 30% right now. It's going pretty fast. Please reconnect the USB cable. Please reconnect the US cable to the system. Cannot reach it for... Please reconnect the USB cable if the assistant cannot reach the drone for 5 minutes after drone rebooting. So I guess we're going to reboot the drone now. That should be going off. Bye. Okay. So we'll take it out. For 5 minutes it says. Well, I'm not sure, man. All right. So it says for me to reconnect the USB cable after 5 minutes in between, which I haven't been doing, after drone is rebooting. So I'm rebooting the drone. We'll see what happens. This is so weird. And it just makes it even weirder sitting out here in the car, not at a desk with a computer that has a great connection for internet. So it makes it really difficult to do what I want to do sitting in the car. Like right now I have a half a battery life in the laptop. I've already gone through one of the drone's batteries. So I don't know. We'll see what happens. Anyways, guys, I'll be right back. Can't do this. We'll be doing something else. All right. I just got the confirmation that the factory settings went well. So I redid it to the original factory settings. It says update the new fly zone database, confirm if I want to do that now, or ignore. I'm going to ignore that right now. Factory settings, success, complete. Now it says we have the current is this one, which I don't know what the current one is now. Let's see what happens. We will go ahead and unplug this, and we will plug in the controller. Got that plug right here. We'll do it in the same one over here. Let's see if that works. Got to get the little DJI emblem up. All right, turn this on. Let's see what happens. Now this is beeping because it has to connect. Let's see if it will connect. No, it's not doing a darn thing. This little thing is my cursor. Let's see what happens if I hold this. What I need to do is get a better connection than this. This is the one they give us, and this is, hear it? The computer connecting and not connecting. I don't know. That's pretty screwed up. I need a better one. So let me go back to the house and find one. I'll be right back. And did this for the last hour, and I'm running out of the second battery. I'm running out of the battery on my phone, and I'm running out of the battery on my laptop. So I'm sitting in here hanging out the doorway of my truck, trying to get that good signal from the cell phone tower to create a hotspot for the laptop. It just ain't working. I mean, it's working. I connected it several times, but the drone, once I went ahead and put it back into the default settings, then it went ahead and just wouldn't accept anything anymore at all. So I don't know if I screwed that up or what. I just need a real internet connection. I need a place where I can sit down and read about it and get on my phone and check out some more things and try those things out. But obviously it's not working. I'm going to give it a couple more times tonight when it gets dark and less people are on the cell phone tower. I should have at least a half a more bar or 2 bars, and I'll go outside and sit outside and try to do it, but I got to charge everything back up again, so whatever, huh? It's another day, MS FITZ'S Adventures.